that way.
I agree with you. When it's blowing, it's heading that. Coming
Yeah, it's not very much wind at all. Are you ready?
I am.
Ready.
Ain't that awesome? That kid does a good job. Yeah, yes, it was.
You know the best part?
What?
I haven't gone past half throttle.
Really? Well, she moves.
I got that.
What?
That thing travels. Something came off.
Don't go for it yet, Scotty.
Well,
I got a feeling I'm going to lose power here in a moment.
okay. Ready? Yep. Oh!
Well, it went up.
It felt like you had a lot of power coming out of my hand.
Yeah.
Something that's typically
So don't stress, because this guy is about 2 or 3 years old. And what I was saying about, you know, it looks sharp, but the plastic when it gets in the sun, it warps.
Okay.
So if I don't have a straight wing, it's not going to fly straight.
So is she, like, the soprano's not something that I can do. We have one, but it's not,
What went wrong?
like I said, it's not commonly used.
Okay. I got it. Yeah. Like trying to wicked.
Yes. That was good flying.
Yeah, it was.